Hello everyone. I am starting to pull together my own December daily kit, and I thought I would kind of show you what I've got going on. So this year's theme is going to be green and craft, black, white, gray. There's a lot of neutrals. I chose green because green is a color that I love but I struggle with. And because I love it and struggle with it, there are a lot of green supplies left in my stash that I'd like to try to use up. So I will, I'll go through this tray in the next video. I'll kind of show you what I've got going on underneath. Because I have so much product, I felt like I didn't really need to go buy anything this year, and I know it is insanely early to be talking about December daily, but I was kind of getting bored of all of my regular crafting, and I just wanted to kind of play with some different products, so that's what led me to do this. So because I've got a lot of greens, I decided to opt for mostly neutral colors, with the exception of this Recollections pad. I actually bought this last year on clearance. I know there's a lot of pages in this that I just won't use, but I liked that it was neutral, or pretty much as close to neutral as I could find. I also went through some of my other Michaels pads and pulled out some like wood grain patterns. Another neutral, like a floral. These were all from Recollections pads, and I think they were like the Farmhouse collection and a bunch of other ones. And some of these you'll see are they're repeats, or they're very close to repeats. And I think you can pretty much see what I'm going for. So these are all my neutrals, and stack those back up. And then I pulled out a few more papers that were a little more Christmassy. This one is actually, some of these are actually from this pad. I pulled them out of the pad because I wasn't sure if I was going to use it, and then I just figured, what the heck, I'll just put the whole paper pad in there, because why am I making my life so complicated? But love these, but they're really big patterns for a 6x8 album, which is the size I'm working in, so not entirely sure how I'm going to use these yet. And then I dug through my stash of 6x6 Christmas papers and pulled a few that were fairly neutral. I've kind of got like cream and white, which I'll be mixing, and I'm totally fine with that. I love this paper. I have been hoarding it. It needs to get used. I won't be using it probably for this side. It'll more likely be for this side. And then I pulled in a couple of specialty papers. Just got like some gold vellum. This, oh my gosh, like forever ago. It's a Recollections one. 2015. Man. I'll probably do some embellishments or some tags with that. And then I also went through, sorry about the gold glare there. I also went through and pulled some, these are just vellum that one of the girls in one of my crafty groups I used to be in, she sent me like pads of vellum paper. So I thought that would be kind of neat to incorporate. And then just some random, totally random cardstock. Some of it even has ink on it, but whatever, we'll use it. So those are the paper pads, or most of the paper. And then I grabbed some doilies. I love making DIY embellishments because I make cards to donate. And so I went through my stash and I found a couple of packages of embellishments that I had already made for various projects. I just thought, why not? We'll use those too. A couple of random scrapbooking sticker bits from an old collection. Dollar store stickers. I have no idea how I'm going to use them. I want to try to use them like all on a 6x8 page and like almost make it like a pattern paper, but using this. I found an acetate. It's got like the days of the week on it. Last summer, I was thinking about doing December daily, and I noticed there's all kinds of sales on, so I just grabbed all these numbers. And that's pretty much what I'm going to be working with paper-wise. Next video, I'll show you what is in the massive tray of insanity. So yeah, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I'll see you next video. Bye for now.